Yeah, so this is like my first YouTube video ever. I mean, that's kind of crazy. Like, I've just sort of been like the neighborhood tranny for quite a while, and hey bitches, it's Vanity. This is my second YouTube video. Who knows what the fuck I'm doing here? I ain't got much to say, just chilling. I just became a tranny like last week. I really like it. Love doing the makeup, the weave, it's still burned. Got some Nicki Minaj lipstick, super hot. I mean, I don't know, I just kind of love like dressing up, doing my thing. Oh my god, okay. Literally biggest struggle of my life. I'm not doing where the fuck did my lip gloss go? I'm not doing any Nicki right now. I'm just doing me. I'm doing the trans lifestyle. Oh my god, I'm fucking hot as hell. Wow. The weave is literally just like really working with me today. It's perfect. Every just like strand of hair is gorgeous. I don't know. I mean, I feel like, why am I not on America's Next Top Model? Like, where's the application? You know what I mean? Hi you guys, I just got back from the mall, and I got some really cute things. Went to Sephora, literally my favorite store ever. Got some really great things, and I just kind of want to make an update video of how I'm doing, what I'm doing, the products that I'm using currently, and to address the question of what I do for my lips. Just some glosses, super cheap, pink, not too trashy looking, but it gets the job done. Hi you guys, the Hood Tranny here. I wanted to check in again, say hello. I'm going out tonight, so I got all dolled up. I go all dolled up. Got a new little dress on. It's from Target. I actually got it on clearance for $3, and it had like dirt on it, so I got it for like $1. Hi you guys, the Hood Tranny here. Happy Monday, just checking in. Wanted to see what's up. Definitely rocking the Nicki today. I got the lipstick, the nails, and of course the Roman Reloaded Pink Friday shirt. Hi you guys, how's everyone doing? It's been a while. Finals were really tough, but now I'm back. It's summer, gonna be making lots more videos, and I'm really excited about it. I'm developing through things that I should have experienced as a child, her age. But I didn't, and I'm really, really, really grateful that I'm in the place right now, financially and mentally, where I'm able to do that. Hi you guys, how's everyone doing? I'm sorry the makeup is a mess, the hair is a mess. I just had a psychology test, which I'm really, really into, so I studied a lot for it. Hi you guys, what's up? Really, really, really insecure. I don't know why I'm always wearing this stupid nightgown. It's literally because I have nothing else to wear, so stop judging me. It's a nightgown. Basically, in all seriousness, I had an amazing Christmas. I'm sorry it's been another hot minute since my last video. I wish I could say I've been really busy doing things, when in reality, I have not been busy doing anything. I just realized I didn't put any mascara on, so that's my bad, but I'm not gonna go put some on. So I'm gonna show you guys the shoes first, and then sort of like the outfit in general. Okay, so these are the shoes. I absolutely love them. They're from Shoe Dazzle. I'll show you a little closer. Hi you guys, how's everyone doing? It is like May 11th. Okay, it's not like May 11th, it is May 11th. Hey you guys, me and Prissy are on our way to Blockbuster and Target because we gotta pick up some things. I'm gonna get like 10,000 headbands because my hair is crazy in the wind, and Prissy needs to return some movies. Dad's bitch. And a cute little like headband because I needed one really badly. And then to commensurate the first outing as a tran, I'm also gonna get this cute little like diamond thing. It's really cute, so yeah. I think I have to wear panties in this one. Hi you guys, so we're here today. We got all dolled up. Gabe helped us do our makeup, which is why we look so cute. Gabe, how's your dating life going?
Really, really exciting. One time someone talked during Grindr.
That is surprising on many levels, I will tell you that right now.
How was Scruff doing?
I'm not on the scruff. The scruff boys are not into me.
Okay,
no,
blender,
they don't
guys,
like
bye.
man
Well, don't ask me how I know.
It makes me really depressed now to get dressed up because I see changes in my face and I see changes in my body that I really, really am unhappy with. Mainly it's getting older, living as a boy, testosterone, all of that stuff. It's taking over my face, it's taking over my body. And I just don't like getting dressed up because that emphasizes that. And I see where I was 2 years ago, and it's just sad for me to see. I mean, at this point, I've been on my full dose of hormones for about a year and a half. There's been a lot of changes physically, mentally, mostly good. Some definitely have been less than satisfactory. But overall, it's been a great experience. I've been growing my natural hair out. Obviously, if you've seen my videos from before, it's a lot different. I used to wear pretty much exclusively wigs. Hi you guys, we have a very special guest here with us today, a lovely gal formerly known as Prissy Mosimo
Mother
Grunge.
Mosimo? Who said Mosimo? I've been gone for so long, bitch.
So Prissy, it's been a while. Word on the street is that you did undergo a full sex change operation as well as name change.
We're not talking about that. I don't disclose, okay? You know, transgender is not about genitalia.
Hi you guys, I'm just gonna say I apologize in advance for looking a little bit like a mess. I just got back from a really long day. But I have some really exciting news to share with you guys. I officially have set the court date to legally change my name and gender for next week. And I'm really, really, really excited and nervous about it. And I've just sort of been thinking about, you know, my whole journey today and the process it's been to get here. And I've just been really, really, really thankful and grateful that I've been able to get here. And this is the lake. River. Sorry, this is the river. We have our feet in the water. It's actually like crazy flooded right now, so we are on a bench. We're like on a bench, but it's like flooded, so it's kind of like crazy and like, I don't know. It's really pretty though. I can't believe I'm making a video right now. Oh my god. I haven't made a video, you guys, in like literally years. This is crazy. Sun has decided to rapidly set, which kind of works in my favor. So yeah, this is kind of like my intro back to the channel.
And I'm Sophia's boyfriend.
A significant other is here with me today. How do you feel about being online for the first time? Well, not for the first time. You have a YouTube channel, right?
I do, but I don't really have many subscribers. It's kind of just for my hobbies. I have a few video games that I like to play, and I upload them on YouTube for...
Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Please ignore the literal pile of trash in the background of this video. I didn't want to move it. I still don't want to move it, so I'm just going to put it out there and move on. If there's anything a trans girl does not want to hear, is that her estrogen is running low. That ain't it. That ain't it. So I'm like, hun. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. Today is a video that I have been so excited about and so anxious about for a very long time. But the day has finally arrived. Yeah, so this is like my first YouTube video ever.
That was strange.
I am going to be looking back and reacting to the very first video I ever put on YouTube. Girl, this is gonna be a mess. My weave's a little bit burned, kind of shitty. The makeup's kind of shitty. I'm just kind of like figuring this out. Like, I don't know, I have a wig, I've got some heels, I kind of like it. So, I mean, that's all I know right now. And I'm just gonna kind of keep posting until I figure out what the fuck I'm doing. Thanks, bitches.